This video is for transfer credit managers. It will show them how to create a transfer credit request for another person. The person would log into NCEES, or the transfer credit manager would log into NCEES and go to Professional Learning. From Professional Learning, they would click on the word Manage, and then from Manage, they would do Credit Request for Others. From this screen, they will click New Request, and they will type in the name of the person. Someone getting a credit request. This means that the opportunity was taken somewhere outside of NCEES, and we are trying to get that credit on the NCEES transcript. So I'm going to give it to this person. This is my standard one person. I'm going to click Create. And this is where you're going to have to make sure you fill in all the required components. So you're going to have to do the name of the event. So maybe this was a conference that was attended. You would give the name of the conference. You would describe the conference, the date of the event. If it spanned multiple days, you would say the days that it happened. So I'm just going to say this was a one-day event. So start dated, start completed. Anything with required you have to do. This is where you're going to put in hours. So maybe this was a half-day event. And then you're going to convert those hours to CEUs. Remember, it takes 10 hours to equal 1 CEU. So maybe this was general for this person. You fill in what's appropriate. Then if you already have a certificate or a badge or proof of completion, you would click Attach File. You would go find that certificate of completion. And then if there was any required signatures that needed to happen, then you can do attach those. I'm going to go get my approval signature. These are optional. It depends on PSU what you accept for these, or even if these are required. And then you click Submit for credit approval. You would add a note. Okay, then to approve, you're going to go to Manage. And then Transfer Credit Approvals, you're going to type in the name of the event, or you can search through your list. You can also add a filter and just search for your location, but I'm just looking for the name of the event I just did, which was conference. I'm going to add myself as an approver. So my name is Site Admin Tester. So I'm just going to come in here, add myself as an approver. I'm going to click Select. And then when I refresh my screen, you'll notice at the bottom there's nothing now, but as soon as I refresh, at the bottom you'll see this other area appears, and then I can enter in this information. And then over here on the far right, you can click Approve. So now, and then I can just say approved. You have to give a comment. And so now this is going to appear and it will turn green. Then you can just go back and look at other responses.